Hello guys, today we're going to do an unboxing video of my mini succulent haul from one of my recommended succulent seller, Belfiore Succulent Collection. For those new in this channel, I'm Jayson and welcome to the Plant Prince PH, the YouTube channel that join you on your journey on collecting succulents. For more content just like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you're the first to be notified when there are new videos released. One of my therapy and favorite thing to do is unboxing, but due to the pandemic, there are a lot of delays in shipping our orders. Luckily, mine arrived 2 days after it was shipped. This package is from Belfiore Succulent Collection. I have been buying plants from them since 2019, and every time I purchase a plant from them, I always get excited and satisfied with the plants I receive. Here are some of my previous order. All of these arrive healthy and pest-free. Some of these aloes are their own hybrids. Their nursery is located in Laguna and the succulents you'll purchase are all propagated in lowland. Thus, the succulents are accustomed in lower altitudes and temperature in lowland. Another factor why I love Belfiore Succulent Collection is due to their meticulous packaging. When you open your package, it seems that you open a box of clouds. They put this to make sure that your plants are safely cushioned and arrive in their best condition. In addition, they also add some silica gel to ensure that your package will arrive dry and no moisture will accumulate in the box. Anyway, let's start unwrapping. I'll be putting the name of each succulent below. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you want to order from them, I'll put the link of their page below. They post their plants for sale every month and most of the time they have raffle and freebie plants. For my upcoming videos, I'll share to you my succulent soil mix and some succulent tips. If you don't want to miss it out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any question or suggestion. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!